Welcome! In this section, we will be reading Volume 2, Mid-Level Principles. In it, we will be discussing how moral philosophy is often referred to as being composed of rational and reasonable comprehensive worldviews. However, these rich moral philosophical positions are oftentimes reduced to their simplest forms, emphasizing either a top-down theory to particular perspective or a bottom-up particular to theory perspective. However, crudely reducing philosophical moral approaches to these top-down or bottom-up perspectives makes it impossible for the philosophical moral approaches to be comprehensive. The synergistic model of moral decision-making avoids this comprehensive problem by blending both the top-down theory model and the bottom-up intuition model, which results in the formation of mid-level principles. The classical utilitarian approach of John Stuart Mill and the classical deontological approach of Immanuel Kant both use this synergistic reflective equilibrium approach. The convergence of these two moral philosophies on mid-level principles shouldn't be surprising, as they both claim to be descriptive accounts of moral decision-making. Mill refers to mid-level principles as secondary principles. Kant refers to mid-level principles as maxims of actions. Moral philosophy has secondary principles. Moral philosophy has maxims of actions. Moral philosophy has mid-level principles. These mid-level principles are the broad and general universal values that both homogeneous and pluralistic communities can all agree on. This comes about because differences of particular beliefs does not necessitate differences of universal values. Empirical evidence seems to indicate that mid-level principles are cultural memes that have come about through the process of natural selection. Rational thought indicates that mid-level principles are the result of logic. Empirical evidence and rational thought are parts of science. If morality is philosophy, and if philosophy is science, then it logically follows that morality is science. So enjoy.